People, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you're highly welcome. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you a remedy that would revive your age. Okay, it's actually not going to change your age, but of course it's going to make your skin look brighter, it's going to make your skin look younger, it's going to make your skin look smoother, and it's going to make your skin look glowing. Yeah, so this remedy is actually very perfect. I use them, of course, you can see me, you know what I mean, and it's very 100% working. So if you want to know what all of this is all about, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let me walk you through into this video. Alright guys, so we're gonna be making use of rosemary. Okay, now this is actually very helpful for the skin. It helps to reduce the large pores. Large pores actually makes your skin look really oily, resulting to early aging, and also resulting to early fine lines. Okay, so mixing this with other natural ingredients to the skin is actually going to help so much. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be taking about 1 teaspoon of this rosemary, and that is perfect. So how that is going to be done, you're going to put in warm water, and then you're going to let it infuse. You're going to give it a stir. And then you're going to set this aside. Okay, now you can either blend it for it to fasten up, or you keep it for like 30 minutes for it to soften, and then it will infuse into the water. Okay, it has to be warm water. And the next ingredient is going to be avocado. Now avocado is a great natural remedy that helps to remove the appearances of age-related problems. It helps to stop early aging, and it also helps to leave your skin looking really healthy, and it helps to increase the elasticity of the skin, which actually make you look really young. So the thing is that I've actually used a little out of this avocado, and I'm gonna be cutting just the soft parts. So we need just a little of the avocado. Okay guys, so you're gonna just take a little quantity of avocado. Just a little quantity is perfect. Alright, so we're gonna mash it all up. And this quantity is actually perfect, and it's okay. I'm gonna be making use of honey. Now honey is a great moisturizing remedy that works wonders in repairing the skin, and it also helps to lock in moisture onto the skin. It makes or allow product to get into the skin by repairing it, and also close up large and open pores. It leaves your skin looking really supple and soft. So guys, you're gonna be making use of 1 tablespoon of this honey. Okay, and then after putting this, then I'll have to stir and mix it really well. Okay guys, so the next ingredient I'm gonna be making use of is olive oil. Now olive oil that helps to smoothen up the skin. Mixing it with avocado is going to make your skin look really healthy and young, and it's also going to retain moisture onto you. So now we're going to be putting a few drops of olive oil. and then you're going to stir it all up. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is to add up the rosemary. Okay, I'm going to be adding up the water and as well as the rosemary itself. Yeah, now it has to be soft because the rosemary actually is to be dry. It's a dry remedy, okay, so you have to make it soft, or you can blend it. And this is it. Okay guys, so for this ingredient you can actually use it twice a week, at least 1 to 2 times a week. It's actually going to help you so much to repair your skin. Like, try it, you're not going to regret using it. Okay guys, so here is the treatment and it looks really good. Yeah, and you're going to be using a brush to apply this. Okay, now when you're done mixing this remedy, what you do is that you have to leave it inside the refrigerator for at least some minutes. And when you want to apply this, you have to first of all wash your face with a cool water and dab it just like I did. You can see how my face is. Okay, and then you would now take the ingredients in a brush, and then you generously apply it onto your face. Now the rosemary has to be settled onto your face. Okay, all right, so after you apply this, then you would have to give it a scrub. Okay, scrubbing your face enable some dryness to be removed, and some dead skin cells to also go off. So this is how you scrub in a circular motion. You can also scrub your lip. Makes your face really smooth and soft. Okay, for this ingredient you would have to make sure to apply this at most 3 times in a week, because it's actually very light, very mild, and it would help you so much. Okay, so you scrub it and you scrub. Circular motion is perfect. Really soft. So you can also make sure to use it and scrub your hands. Okay, because your hands has to be as soft as your face and light too. And like, for you to have a lighter skin, you would have to scrub out the dead skin cells basically, and then you get lighter. So after that, then you would have to wash it off with a warm water. Okay, so I have this warm water and I'm going to be dipping my face in it. Now that is actually going to help to, wake up your skin. Dipping your skin in a warm water would help to wake up your skin. So after that, then you can use a toilet soap to wash this all off, and trust me guys, you're good to go. As you can see, avocado is actually very perfect, but of course unfortunately I didn't get avocado that is actually very soft. Okay, so avocado and rosemary is actually very perfect for the skin, and it's actually whoop out all of those aging sign and all of those wrinkles, you know, leaving your skin really supple and soft. That's it. So go try this out. Just like I earlier said in the video, follow all of those rules and all of those, you know, do's and don'ts, and your skin is gonna be glowing. So if you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you soon in another video, and ciao.